Hi, I'm Shannon with Prune Winners ColorChoice Shrubs, and I'm standing next to what is a beautiful lime Rickey smooth hydrangea, or hydrangea arborescens. It is mid-March in Michigan, and now is a great time to prune any type of hydrangea that blooms on new wood. That includes smooth hydrangeas, hydrangea arborescens, or panicle hydrangeas, hydrangea paniculata, like your limelight, Zinfandel, Quickfire. Pruning these hydrangeas is really quite simple. The first step is to remove about a third of the length of your branches, and this will remove the spent stems, encourage strong, larger blooms, and sturdy stems. So let's get to it. While you're pruning, you want to focus on a couple of other things. The shape of your shrub, removing any damaged stems, and also any weak stems, because you're not going to get great growth and performance from those. So we might as well remove them so the plant doesn't try to send its energy. So that should do it. If you're unsure about what type of hydrangea you have, always err on the side of not pruning. But this plant, lime Rickey, is going to look beautiful, filled with lime green blooms later this summer. Smooth hydrangeas and panicle hydrangeas are some of the easiest plants that are the most forgiving. You really can't mess this up. If you have any questions, be sure to go to provenwinners.com/feedback and we'd be happy to answer them.